Welcome to another hair hack video. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a backpin, then keep inserting it inside the backpinny part. Take the lower end, tie it in the form of a plait and then carefully secure it upwards. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a lower ponytail. Then take the ponytail and insert it through the gap of the upper part of the hair just like this. Then roll the upper part of the hair inside and around the circular part and secure it tightly with the help of a designer clipper. Take your hair with the help of a half ponytail, insert a backpin and then keep inserting small strands of hair inside the clipping part of the backpin just like this. Then when you are done doing this, tie the upper part together and then secure it tightly with the help of a bobby pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a lower ponytail, then take it and tie it in half, then take the lower part and again tie it with a rubber band. Make a gap in between and carefully insert that circular part through that gap. Then take the lower part and carefully insert it inside so that it is no longer visible. Then tie the lower part of the hair with the help of a backpin or a bobby pin. Then tie it in the form of a half ponytail. Take the lower part and then secure it tightly with the help of a bobby pin and then make plaits out of the lower part as well. Tie the lower part with the help of a clipper or a rubber band. Then take the lower end and make it look like a circular part and then you are done here. The last part is to secure it tightly. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail. Then take the lower end and give it a fluffy look by pulling out the strands of hair from every angle just like this. Take the lower end, keep tying it in the form of a plait and then when you are done tying the plait, take the lower end and then secure it tightly above with the help of a rubber band and then roll it just like this. Then secure it tightly. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail just like this and then insert that ponytail through the gaps of the upper part of the hair just like this and then take other half of the hair and tie it in the form of a plait just like this. When you are done tying the plait, roll it above and beyond and then secure it properly with the help of a bobby pin or a backpin just like this. You are done here. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a lower ponytail and then insert it properly with the help of a backpin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a juda pin or a backpin and then secure it tightly with the help of the rubber band or a juda pin or a two-legged juda pin may also work just like this. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a lower ponytail just like this. Then make a gap in between and insert it through the gap. Then take your hair, pull out few strands of hair from every corner and then make it look like a ponytail. Thank you for watching.